Welcome back. You're watching the Prime Edition, and the Court of Appeal has set Friday, the 21st of March, 2025 as the date to deliver its ruling on whether to stay the High Court's decision declaring Azimio la Umoja One Kenya coalition as the majority party in the National Assembly.
This is after National Assembly Speaker Wetang'ula, through lawyers Elisha Ongoya, urged the court to suspend the decision rendered early this month.
National Assembly Speaker Wetang'ula, through lawyer Elisha Ongoya, urged the court to suspend the decision, citing parliamentary confusion and concerns over post-election coalitions altering the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission declaration. However, Azimio la Umoja One Kenya coalition's lawyer KBC opposed the stay, arguing that Wetang'ula was in contempt of court and that granting the application will amount to judicial immunity. The Court of Appeal will rule on March 21st on whether to suspend the High Court's decision declaring Azimio as the majority party. Speaker Wetang'ula argues for a stay, while Azimio lawyers opposes it, citing contempt of court. Separately, former Migori Governor Okoth Obado has been directed to defend himself against murder charges in the killing of his university student Sharon Otieno. Trial Judge Justice Cecilia Githua ruled that Obado has a case to answer and said the defense hearing from Wednesday 23rd to Friday 25th April 2025. He is represented by Senior Counsel Kioko Kilukumi and Roger Sagana. Meanwhile, in the lower court of Milimani, a senior manager at a Nairobi-based printing firm, Chekati Narashima Rao, was charged with theft and forgery involving over 254 million shillings. The prosecution termed Rao a flight risk, but the court granted him a bond of 10 million shillings with a condition to surrender his passport.
The amount in question being 254,461,768, which I believe is a substantial amount to warrant the review of the earlier bond terms. This being said, the accused person's bond terms are hereby reviewed to the effect that the accused person is granted a bond of 10 million with a similar surety of the same amount, or a cash bail of 3 million with 2 Kenyan sureties to give a personal recognizance of a similar amount. Pending the determination of the application by the council for the accused person dated the 13th of January 2025, the accused person's passport will also remain deposited in court.
The case will be mentioned on Wednesday, 12th March 2025. Finally, a Kiambu court has granted investigating officers from Kihara Directorate of Criminal Investigation Office 21 days to detain a woman and her mother-in-law as investigation into the murder of her 4-year-old son continue.
Hatujaweza kuwa na habari kamili ya ni nani alikuwa na mtoto dakika za mwisho mpaka ile wakati mwili wa mtoto uliweza kupatikana kichakani.
Appearing before Kiambu's resident magistrate Nilian Wambui, the investigating officer David Ngechu told the court Ian Misingi's mutilated body was found in a thicket in Gashie 8 days after his disappearance.
Naona pia hakujaweza kuwa na ripoti yoyote kwa kituo chochote cha polisi kuhusiana na kupotea kwa huyo mtoto.
Granted 21 days to hold both respondents at Kihara Police Station, mentioned on the 19th of March before court number 7.
The pre-trial is scheduled for 19th March 2025. Letua Deborah for Prime Edition.